Hey everyone, so unfortunately another choppy day in the market, and I really didn't play it as well as I could. So right out of the gates, I took a pretty big loss. I guess not that big. I think it was $70 or $80 of a loss, which is well within my strategy, but it just wasn't a good start to the day. I was expecting a breakout over the pre-market highs, and it just didn't work out. So I had to take the loss. I took it where I should have taken it, but it's never fun to start the day with a loser, right? So I managed to dig my way out of the hole. I got back from minus 70, minus 80, up to, I think, $40 or $50 in the green. And then I went back red again, and then I went green again. And then I took another trade on the one that I lost out of the gates. So when I took that trade, it was a good setup, but in this choppy market, not everything is working out. So this one also didn't work out, and I went even further into the red. On that name, I think I was down, after 3 trades on it actually, I was down $300. So unfortunately, to make that up, I revenge traded. Now, the stock that I was in was only $1 or $1.20 per share, so it was a much cheaper stock. I ended up taking 4,000 shares of this stock, which is only $4,000 of an investment, and my account size is bigger than that. So I wasn't using margin, or I wasn't doing anything too crazy outside of my strategy other than taking far too many shares, and it was a revenge trade. So I ended the day green. I think I'm up 100 and it doesn't show me right here, $10 or $100, but the point is not that I'm green. The point is that I revenge traded, and that will end up burning me in the future. So this trader rehab that I built for myself or whatever was meant to eliminate the revenge trading. Now, unfortunately, I revenge traded, and I'm gonna go back down to 500 shares for tomorrow. I was all over the place. I was taking 300, 600, 800, 900, and then that revenge trade was just far too many. So to end this intro, I'm gonna show you the live trades. I'm gonna show you some of the good, the bad, where it went terrible, and then after this, I'm really gonna focus, maybe meditate on the fact that I'm starting to get a little crazy with my discipline. It doesn't take very long for you to break that discipline, and I did today. So hopefully I can just get right back on the horse tomorrow, continue with the green days, but just be very, very disciplined in this choppy market. So I'll show you the trades. Let's go over them right now. Hey guys, so with all that stuff said, I'm really not too happy about today. I'm not sure if I overtraded because a lot of these setups were good, but I definitely did take a revenge trade here on tops. I had 4,000 shares. There's no excuse for that. I'm supposed to be taking 500 or 600 shares, and these stocks that I'm taking 500 shares of are $5. So my investment is, $2,000 or $2,500, $3,000. So 4,000 shares of a $1 stock is $4,000 investment. So it's not that much, but it's not acceptable. So you guys can see it. I'll show you the trades. AXON was the one where it went wrong, and then I didn't take this 5-minute setup because of I just wanted to try and reinforce discipline, that I was done for the day. I broke my rules, so I can't keep trading, but it did end up making a move from 580 here up to 620. So that's okay. We'll get the next one. Let's show you the video from this morning. Hey, what's up everyone? So once again, we're here looking for some stocks to trade. We have some continuation on AXON from yesterday. We know this moved from $1.50 the day before, opened at $3.50, went to $4.50, and now we're up at $5.50. So this is looking pretty good for a scalp over this little pivot here towards $6, up over the pre-market highs of 607. I would say just a quick scalp, maybe take profit in the teens. That's what I'm thinking. Other than that, the list is fairly dry. ORPN. Is it ORPN? No, OPHT. Looks pretty good if it gets some volume over 345. Up towards the moving average here, closer to 380. So, that's it. That's it for now. IFON if it gets volume because it has a really low float. This looks not bad. Alright, 4 seconds to the bell. Let's watch AXON. Over 93, I would take it. Maybe 92.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Yeah, now see, we're already...
Order cancelled.
We dropped hard there. I should have waited. I tried to predict it, and I just took a 13-cent loss on 500 shares. So, you know, that happens. Now, this is just dipping into support here on the 5-minute. So it could end up coming back up, and we could actually get another opportunity to get in here.
Order partially
Over
filled.
345.
Order filled.
It's looking really good. Just watching it here for now. I would add over 43.
Order partially filled.
45, 49.
Order filled.
I'm out for 600 shares there. Trying to get out for another 200 shares. At 52, my average is at 41. I might just hold on here. The high is 53. My average is still at 41. 50. So 53, I'm adding 200 shares for the break of 2. There we go.
Order partially filled.
Trying to get filled a bit at
Order filled.
57, 58.
Order cancelled.
I'm going to try and get all out here in the next push over 360.
Order filled.
I added there to 500 shares. That could have been a mistake, but my unrealized isn't that bad yet. My stop would be pretty close to where it is right now, actually. We'll see, though, because it's dipping into support. This candle is about to close right now. Thought it would be much sooner, I think. 344, 347, 48. There, I got filled at 48. So I could have held on a little bit more, but I was a little worried because I was actually down on the trade before I was green, so I just wanted to minimize the damage and get out. So this could continue to high of day, or it could just get slammed back down, but I'm just going to watch it on my other monitor for now. 72 or 73.
Order filled.
An entry there at the washout at 360. I got 600 shares. That's not bad. 600 shares. That's not bad. And then maybe I would add over 373 and then sell the whole thing towards 380. But if this hits 360, I'm going to sell out. $70, $71. I'm looking for 72 or 73. 70. on the ask. Somebody...
Order
Oh,
partially
I
filled.
added to 900 there. I got filled at
Order filled.
67. This might come back down on me. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I got an okay average. My stop would be at 360. Just waiting for it to break out here in the 70s. It might come right here. I'm gonna take 300 off because it's taking. Well,
Order cancelled.
no, that's what I said last time. Maybe I should just wait.
Order
No,
partially
I sold
filled.
out there. I sold out there.
Order cancelled.
Right before that dip. I'm gonna
Order
wait. I'm
filled.
gonna wait for a better entry. So this is where it all started to go wrong. I started taking big position sizes here. You can see, where was it? Yeah, I have 3,900 shares of TOPS. So it was a great setup. It was I was in for the break after the 5-minute candle of the pre-market highs. And it was a great setup, but the point is not that it was a great setup. The point is that I broke my rules. So that's the whole reason I'm in trader rehab, is to not break my rules, and I still broke them. So yeah, we see some big numbers here, and I was waiting to sell at around the 120 here. So I waited for that break, and see I'm starting to take shares off. So like I'm managing the trade well, but it doesn't matter because I shouldn't have been in it in the first place. So when I lock it all up, that trade is $327. But I don't feel good about it. So anyways, we're ending the day 97, 127. So another green day, but not a good green day. So I'm going to say overtraded. Or no, sorry, not overtraded. Come on. Revenge traded with 4,000 shares to make up for an unexpected loss on AXON. Back to basics tomorrow with 500 shares max, regardless of anything. So we were at 500. I went to 600. We're going back to 500. We're not in a market now where I can be aggressive, and I'm starting to get too aggressive, and I'm going to take a loss, and it's going to be bad news from there most likely. So that's how we're going to end this. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully tomorrow I can be green, but also be happy about being green because I followed my rules. So with that, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.